Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ramyashri MG, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Kumta. We'll discuss BCom 5th semester's Accounting Theory, Unit 5, Accounting Standards, Part 5, Accounting Standard Setting Process in India, Role of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India and Accounting Standard Board. This part includes accounting standards in India, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, history of in Accounting Standards Board of India, composition of the Accounting Standards Board, and accounting standard setting process in India. Indian Accounting Standard, abbreviated as IND AS, is the accounting standard adopted by companies in India and issued under the supervision of Accounting Standards Board, which was constituted as a body in the year 1977. The main function of Accounting Standard Board is to formulate accounting standards so that such standards may be established by the Council of the Institute in India. The IND AS are named and numbered in the same way as International Financial Reporting Standards. National Financial Reporting Authority recommend these standards to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Ministry of Corporate Affairs has to spell out the accounting standards applicable for companies in India. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is the national professional accounting body of India. It was established on 1st July 1949 as a statutory body under the Chartered Accountants Act 1949, enacted by the Parliament to regulate the profession of chartered accountancy in India. ICAI is the second largest professional accounting and finance body in the world. ICAI is the only licensing cum regulating body of the financial audit and accountancy profession in India. History of Accounting Standards Board of India. ASB was set up in India on April 21st, 1977 with members from profession regulators, the industry and other users. Accounting standards are set by ASB to harmonize the diverse accounting policies and practices in India. The ICAI, being one of the members of International Accounting Standards Committee, while formulating the accounting standards, gives much weight to the standards issued by International Accounting Standards Committee. ICAI tries to incorporate those international standards in India, keeping in view with the conditions and practices prevailing in India. Thus, accounting standards apply to any enterprise engaged in commercial, industrial, or business activities, irrespective of whether it is profit oriented or whether established for charitable purpose. Composition of Accounting Standards Board. Nominee of the central government representing the Department of Company Affairs on the Council of the ICAI. Nominee of the central government representing the Office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India on the Council of ICAI. nominee of the central government representing the Central Board of Direct Taxes on the Council of ICAI, representative of the Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of India, representative of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, representative of Industry Association from Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry (ASSOCHAM), from Confederation of Indian Industry (CII), and from Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, representative of Reserve Bank of India, representative of Securities and Exchange Board of India, representative of Comptroller General of Accounts, representative of Central Board of Excise and Customs, representative of academic institutions from universities and from Indian Institutes of Management, representative of financial institutions, eminent professionals co-opted by ICAI, chairman of the research committee and chairman of the expert advisory committee of the ICAI if they are not otherwise members of the Accounting Standards Board, representative of any other body as considered appropriate by the ICAI. Now we'll understand what is the role of ICAI and Accounting Standard Board in accounting standards setting process, especially in India. The first stage, the Accounting Standard Board determines the board areas requiring in formulation of accounting standards and lists them according to priority. In the preparation of accounting standards, the ASB is assisted by a study group constituted for this purpose. Views of government, public sector undertakings, industry, and other organizations are obtained before formulating the exposure draft. The exposure draft comprises the following: objectives and scope of standard, definition of the terms used in the standard, the manner in which the accounting principles have been applied for formulating the standard, the presentation and disclosure requirements of it comply with the standard, class of enterprises to which the standard will apply, date from which standards will be effective. Then the exposure draft will be published in professional journals and circulated to obtain views and comments. ASB will finalize and standard after taking into consideration suggestions received and submit to the Council of ICAI. The Council of the ICAI will consider and, if necessary, amend the standards after consulting the Accounting Standard Board. Then, in its final form, the Council issues the standard under its authority. For a substantive revision of accounting standards, procedures is the same as that of the procedure followed for formulation of new accounting standards. After understanding the stages in preparation of accounting standards in India, we are in the conclusion part. Accounting Standards Board is the main authority attached with accounting standard. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, recognizing the need to harmonize the diverse accounting policies and practices constituted at Accounting Standards Board. The work of the Accounting Standards Board is to develop the accounting standards in India and to ensure that such standards are accepted and adopted by the various parties in the preparation and presentation of their financial statements. These are the references. Thank you for watching.